Hey guys, my name is Jenna Patel and I'm here to welcome you to the College Compass. So for those of you who don't know, I created this website to share tips and advice on how to save money while adventuring the world. I understand many people often struggle with finding the money to plan their dream vacation, so that is why in this video I'm going to show you guys a few websites and resources I've used in the past to help me budget my money in relation to transportation options. Although my website is aimed towards young college students like myself who are passionate about traveling but also looking to save some money, this video can be helpful to anyone. Even if you're planning a one-time extravagant family vacation or a girls' trip for the summer, it doesn't hurt to learn ways to budget your money in terms of traveling. So the first website I'm going to introduce to you guys is Student Universe. Student Universe is a perfect place for students to search for flights at discounted prices. The site is very easy to navigate. You simply enter in your departure and arrival destinations, along with the dates you are looking to travel to. So here I have an example of a flight that would be flying from Newark Airport into Florence, Italy, and I had chosen the dates close to our winter break, and it's December 20th, 2018 to December 29th, 2018. And here you have the option of selecting exact or flexible. So these options basically allow you to get results that would be flights for those exact dates that you put in, or flights that are flexible around these dates. So maybe for someone who isn't completely sure when they want to travel, but they know the general time period of when they want to travel, but not the exact dates. This option over here is to choose the amount of people you're looking to travel with and buy tickets for. And then under all of this, we have the compare option. So the compare option allows you to compare the results that Student Universe gets with results on sites like ASAP Tickets, JustFly.com, Just Air Ticket. So this is basically to make sure that you are finding the most affordable flight. Now above this we have trip types, so you can choose the type of trip you're looking to purchase. If it's a one-way, it would be from one destination to another. If it's round trip, it would be to and from the destination. And then multi-city would be flights that stop in multiple cities. So for people who are looking to travel to a bunch of different places for a lower cost, that'd be awesome. And then we have the cabin tab. So for here, you can choose whether you want to sit economy or premium. Now, economy is more of your average seating that doesn't offer too many amenities, and premium is more like first class, business class that offers, more spacious, comfortable space. Now, I did this exact search in another tab for this exact flight, and I just wanted to show you what the results look like so you could get a little bit more understanding of what you're seeing on the screen. So here we have the flight going to Florence, and this is the time it departs and will arrive. And then this is the total flight time, so the total amount of time you will be in the air. And then this is the amount of stops that your flight will be taking. And then down below is just the same thing, but it's from Florence back to where you had started previously. And on this side, it shows you the overall price of your tickets. So in this case, I had chosen round trip, so it's showing me $886 for a round trip flight to Florence, to and from Florence. Here they also have options of picking, if you want to see the fastest flights. That will get you there in a more timely manner. They also have cheapest, which is what we're on now, so for those who are looking to budget their money. And then they have best, which take both price and time into consideration and gives you like an overall essentially perfect flight option. And so yeah, this is Student Universe, and I highly recommend this site for students who are looking to travel for cheaper price. And yeah, so the next site that I'm going to show you is Greyhound. Greyhound is basically another option that people can use to travel to different places, but more so for places that are closer to where they're leaving from. So this past summer I actually used Greyhound to travel to Montreal, Canada, which isn't too far from New Jersey. So I figured it would be a good option, and the price of the tickets were only $100 round trip versus paying around one or $500 to $1,000 for a plane ticket to Montreal, which is completely outrageous and unnecessary. So I highly recommend people to use or travel with coach buses, whether it's Greyhound, whether it's another company. They're great. The ride was only about 8 hours, and it wasn't the most comfortable, but it definitely was worth paying $400 less than what a flight would I would have paid for a flight. So I definitely recommend Greyhound or other coach bus companies. And yeah. Now, the next transportation option is also a alternative to flying. It's known as Amtrak. I'm not sure if any of you have heard of it, but Amtrak is basically a high-speed train that gets you to your destination in a more timely manner. Amtrak is actually known for offering scenic routes, so the whole journey is an experience in itself, and it's quite amazing. As you can see here in this display, we have the Amtrak train like on this mountain, like overlooking all these foresty trees and mountaintop. It's just amazing. It's incredible what Amtrak has been able to do in terms of scenery and comfort as well. So on the destinations tab, Amtrak allows you to browse the different routes that they offer based on the region. So they have the Northwest, California, West, Midwest, South, and Northeast. And they also have the option for you to look at all the routes that they offer specifically. They have Acela Express, Adirondack. They have named mostly all of their routes. And below the titles of these routes, they have the stops that the routes take. Now, if we want to view the details, you can get a little bit more information about specific routes. It tells you how long the route is, how frequent the train departs, and then it also gives a little bit of a description of the route in general. I highly recommend Amtrak. It's a great way to travel to places that may be a little bit farther than places you could get to via Greyhound or like a coach bus, but it's also a lot cheaper than flying. So I definitely recommend this for students who are looking to save some money. So that is all for this video. I just want to thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. I urge you to subscribe below and click that like button. Feel free to comment below any suggestions you have for future video topics. I would love to hear your feedback. So thank you again, and have a great day.